So this is how you break down this scale from Xiaomi. So it has adhesive sticks here that you need to pry out. So I'm using a Krispy Kreme OG card to pry out the glue. Then I'm using this prying tool to hold it there. So let me just focus the camera. I have there's 4 sides, so still have 2 left. So I'll show you the video after I remove the glue on these sides. So you just need to insert your card between the plastic and the glass, because the adhesive is right here. So since I only have one side left, I can try to just force it with one hand. Oops, I don't like the sound of that. Right. I can't see anything that would be damaged if I force it, so I'll just force it out. Here's the inside. Here are the adhesive stickers. So I'll just replace those with, I don't know, double-sided tape. So the reason why I tried to open this is because my scale is just showing overload every time. So maybe this would help you troubleshoot the problem. Good luck.